Hello, welcome to Regal Achievers Educational Limited, presenting real tutors. I've taken through a topic calculating average. We have a question here. Students test scores 80, 70, 90, and 60. Question is calculate the average score. Very simple. All you need to do is to do the addition of all the scores. Average score will be addition of all the scores 80 plus 70 plus 90 plus 60 over number of scores 1, 2, 3, 4 over 4. If you add this together, 80 plus 70 is what? 150, and then 150 plus 90, that's 240 plus 60, that's 300. So you have 300 divided by 4. So now if you divide it, that will be what? 300 divided by 4, that will be 4 in 30, that will be 7. I mean the 2 in 20, that will be what? 5. So the answer is 75. I'll be giving you an exercise. Please submit your answer at the comment box. The question is daily temperature. We have 20 degrees Celsius, 28 degrees Celsius, 22 degrees Celsius, and 30 degrees Celsius. The question is calculate the average temperature. Thank you.